You are a dickhead.
By the time Mark was 2 years old,
Look at the lights on
he started
telly.
going to fend for himself.